Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the hotspot problem in your device Samsung Galaxy M23. So if in this device you are having an issue related to the hotspot is not working or not connecting with other devices, you can solve this by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the hotspot issue in your device. Let's watch it.